Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to talk about a few things for my upcoming Zoom course. It's called Layering Like a Pro, and it's 2 hours via Zoom, and it will be hands on layering. It's March 6th at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And of course, there's still time to sign up. It will be recorded, so you will be able to watch it afterwards. There's also a handout that you will be able to go back and reference when you are trying to layer like a pro. All right. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. If you guys have made, and I just have this one here as an example, if you have been working on these mini folios with me for a while now, it's been over a year, I do lots of layering and I get a lot of questions on why you pick this, how you pick that, and I pretty much make it look nice and not like a big jumble mess. So I'm going to answer those questions and I'm going to explain to you what I do, how I pick things, and why, and put them together to create these fun little storytelling moments here with all of these beautiful embellishments. What I love about layering like a pro is that we're going to be able to layer, create stories without bulk, with still having the ability and room to add photos to our projects. So I'm going to be using the April paper collection. It's the April Moving Parts paper collection. For late, you can use whichever paper collection you want. But of course, if you want to do it exactly like mine, I highly recommend you pick up the April paper collection, and that is in the shop. There's lots and lots of goodies in here for us to layer, to create fun little storytelling moments for our photos. I mean, look at all of these butterflies that we have. Just so many darling things. So, how fun. All of these envelopes, little notebook covers. All right, there is some prepping involved in this for this particular 2 hour class. So look out in your project folder for a cutting guide, and I'll give you instructions on exactly what you need to cut and how to assemble it so we can be prepared for the class, because you want to be prepared. You don't want to construct, and I'll explain to you all of that in the project folder. You don't want to construct a little booklet. The booklet should be made for the class. What you want to do is be ready to layer in the booklet for our course. All right. So this is the paper collection we will be using. I just want to show you these, how gorgeous. And some of these are already set to mirror image. That way, you don't have to worry about creating the mirror images. Some of them are already set to have the mirror image. So you're good to go. All right. You don't have to worry about, oh, let me get my mirror images prepared. They're already in the file like that. Look at that, how gorgeous. So really beautiful images, guys. I think you all will enjoy it. If you have not picked up the layering like a pro, I think it's going to be the best 20 bucks you've ever spent, because it's going to be a lot of fun. And the best part about it is that we get to see each other, we get to chat, you get to ask me questions, and it's just going to be a super fun, hands on, crafty 2 hours of us working together on this ultimate goal here, which is layering like a pro. All right, so this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and get your paper collection ready to rock and roll. And I will see you all March 6th at 10 a.m. And look out for your Zoom invite and all that good stuff. All right, I'll see you then.